Just that one word can change your impression. Perfect for beginners and kids. Episode 10. Movie, Anime Chat. Did you watch that movie yesterday? I finally did. It was really good. Right? Do you know that anime? I started it recently. I am already hooked. I get it. Do you have a favorite character? Of course. Who is your favorite? The main character. Are you okay with spoilers? I have not watched it yet. Then I will not spoil it. Thanks. Have you been to the theater lately? Last week. What did you watch? An action movie. Didn't that scene make you cry? I cried a lot. I needed tissues. Same here. Aren't you excited for the sequel? I am super excited. When does it come out again? Next month. What are you watching lately? Old anime shows. Isn't it nostalgic? Very nostalgic. Isn't that character overpowered? Seriously too strong. But still cool. That is why people love them. What did you think of the ending? It felt bittersweet. But it was good. I agree. Do you prefer dubbed versions? Usually subtitles. It helps with English too. True. Wasn't that movie really long? It was 3 hours. But it flew by. That says a lot. Wasn't the animation beautiful? It looked amazing. I could watch forever. Totally. Do you remember that line? It was memorable. I replayed it many times. I get that. What are you planning to watch next? A movie someone recommended. I have high hopes. Tell me what you think. Thank you for watching. We will upload new stories every day. Let's enjoy learning English together.